Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, search for BytePlus Playground and make sure to open the site that says AI Playground. Explore AI models and solutions instantly. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign in button in the top right corner, and you can either continue with your Google account or with your personal email, but for this video I'll go with email address. So enter your email and click continue. Then add a strong password and click sign in. Finally, after sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now scroll down a bit and select Dramina Cadence 2.0. Here you can get access to Cadence 2.0, 1.5 and 1.5 Pro, but for this video I'll go with Cadence 1.5 Pro. Below you can select the aspect ratio, video quality, duration of the video, and number of the generated results you need. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into BytePlus, and finally hit the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile the video is being generated, let me tell you one very important thing. This tool allows you a few free video generations. Once your generation limits is reached with one account, simply sign up again using another Google account or email address, so you can get more free generations and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.